In our ginormous world, there are these places we call rainforests that many plants and animals call home. Located all around the globe, rainforests might be a little closer to us here in Texas than we thought, and some are thousands of miles away. Tropical rainforests can only be found between the tropics of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer. There is only 2.41 million square miles of these oases, and even though that sounds like a lot, it's quite small. Today we are going to visit the 5 major rainforests of the world: the forest of Central America, the Amazon rainforest, the Congo Basin, the rainforest of Southern Asia, and the Gondwana rainforest in Australia. In all of these rainforests, each have separate levels and layers. The most bottom level is the forest floor, oozing with insects and the biggest animals of the tropics. Going up, the next layer is the understory, which is cool and dark. Next is the canopy, covered by the limbs and branches, full of life with insects, birds, reptiles, and mammals. It is the second highest level of the rainforests. The highest level, though, is the emergence. Made up of giant trees, certain insects and birds call this layer home. Now, within all of the levels of the rainforest, different species live in different rainforests in different parts of the world. In Central America's rainforests, you can find the anteater, which lives on the forest floor. The blue and yellow macaw lives in the emergent level. There is a flying squirrel that calls the canopy home. The jaguar can be found in the understory, where it is dark and it can sneak up on its prey. A few more animals that live in the Central America rainforest are the rhinoceros beetle, the bushmaster, and howler monkeys. The next rainforest that we will see many animals in is the Amazon. The pink river dolphin lives in the Amazon River. Anacondas live on the bottom floor and the understory. And the sloth lives in the canopy and doesn't move around a lot because they are really slow. In the heart of Africa is the Congo Basin. A little different than the other rainforests, many creatures that live here can be seen at zoos. There is the stork, the Congo clawless otter, crocodiles, giraffes, antelopes, and many more. The Southern Asian rainforests are home to many species too. The chameleon lives in the canopy and the understory. A slow loris loves the dense canopy too. Walking sticks live in every layer. The chubby frog is a ground dweller, so it prefers the forest floor. One of the most deadliest snakes live in the understory, the king cobra. Lastly, the Gondwana rainforest in Wales of Australia is a popular rainforest, but smaller than the others. Some animals and species that live here are the gray goshawk, the rufous scrubbird, and the platypus. Also, the buru long frog likes to live here as well. We tend to wonder if people are allowed to go into these rainforests, but we forget that people actually live there. The pygmies live in the Congo Basin, and the Yaminis live in the Amazon. Now, because we aren't tribes like these people, we can still see these natural wonders, of course, but only as tourists.